everyone, welcome to 30 Something Beauty. My name is Cassandra Thompson. I am your very normal 30 something beauty lover making videos here on YouTube. So thanks for watching. Today is another day of 30 days, 30 looks. Foundation, primer, yeah, in that order. Primer, foundation, powder, all the underneath stuff is on. Eyebrows are as done as they're gonna get with me right now. And we're going to start by putting on the Hourglass bronzer, and this is the Luminous Bronze Light. I used it the other day and remembered like, oh yeah, it's really good. Also, I have on the Milk bronzing stick underneath my powder, and that's going to be a big, I will be repurchasing that when that runs out, and because that's just going to be amazing for like summer, spring. For some reason I have like a shiny spot right here, and I'm not quite sure why. Can you like see that? This weird, how strange is that? I don't know. My eyebrows, I'm realizing, do need gel. I used the L'Oreal like pomade, but they need something to kind of set them. So for blush, I'm going in to my e.l.f. palette. This is the Total Face palette, and I am going to use just this peachy one up here, and this is the e.l.f. brush, but this is the mineral powder brush. I kind of like this one better for this than is it even picking anything up? I think so. Then the blush brush. No, seriously. Is that doing anything? No. I think it's that the color's too light. Okay, I'm gonna go to this one. Well, now that we've realized I hate both, I didn't want to do what I did yesterday, but we are going to go in with the Sweet Cheeks from NYX because it's awesome, and use this one again. What I am going to use from e.l.f. though is this palette. This is the Illuminating palette, and I'm going to take this neutrally color just to come on the forehead and kind of blend a little bit better where the bronzer was. It's just going to be a slightly glowy look today, apparently. I don't know. And then same with right under the eye. Okay, I told you I was going to do it. We're going back in with the new white peach because it's just too pretty. I am going to use one of theirs today. I'm a little nervous about this, but I can always change it if I don't like it. I'm going to go with their Bottomless Bellinis look. And so it says, apply peach cream from crease to brow. So that's this one. And then sweep Peach Suede into crease and blend into outer corner of lid. Peach Suede. Peach Suede is this one. I used it yesterday too. Press Creme de la Peach onto lid and blend outward. Okay, we're gonna change this. Creme de la Peach is that orange one that it's not for me. So, hold on. Okay, instead I am going to use Peaches and Dreams. So it's more the metallic-y one. And then they end by just dabbing peach ice into the corner of each eye. So peach ice is that. I'm going to do that step, but I want to, you know, amp this up a little more. So I am going to take Fuzzy, since I haven't used it yet, and just deepen the corner. So nothing crazy, just a little bit more of like a neutral brown on it. And then I'm going to take my smudge brush and use On the Grill. And just smoke underneath. Not going to do anything on top. I am going to rim, though, my eyes today. So, about that peach ice. I'm going to use MAC Fix Plus first. Which side do I want? This side. This is a Laura Mercier brush that is not intended for this at all, but I use it for it. So peach ice, and yeah, using MAC Fix Plus does a lot more than what we got yesterday. It's a little intense for me, that glitter, but we're gonna go with it. So I need something that's gonna stay all day, so I'm gonna line my inner rim with my espresso from L'Oreal, do my lashes, and then we'll come back. Okay, so my eyes got a lot of mascara today. I tried the Lancome Sills Booster to give it more length, 2 coats of Better Than Sex, and then I proofed it with the NYX Proof It Waterproof. I'm busting out something I haven't used in a while. This is Dose of Dew from NYX. And yes, I have powder on. Still gonna go over it with this. It tends to blend nicely in it, not crazy. Even though it's a cream. And this just gives the nicest, like, radiance without showing pores and all that kind of stuff. So see, just a little like glow down the side. And it's that time. Let's back up again for you. Sorry, one video I did the other day was like this. I'm like, what was I thinking? So while that's drying, I will do final touches. Going to put on Honeycomb, a mousse bouche from Bite Beauty. And finishing it off, Dazzle Glass. And that is it for today's look. So if you liked this look, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you know when new videos come out. And please share this with your other 30-something friends so we can get more people in this little community commenting below, okay? With that, you should be getting other videos I think you'd like. So please keep watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.